beginning with the Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and the first step is to disassemble the tree entirely. Now that the tree is completely disassembled, I'm going to be using 3 of the 15-foot garlands. I am using the white branches from the original tree to measure out multiple branches at the same length from my garland. Take twine from the Dollar Tree and 3 of the branches to combine them into a fork-type shape. Now that my branches are bundled together, I'm moving on to the next step of mixing together a combination of flocking powder and fake snow in a container. Once the branch is completely covered, dip or coat the branch in the flocking powder, and you're going to repeat this step many more times, and you're going to want to let the branches dry overnight. Take the original metal rod that was part of the original tree, some twine, and a few loose branches to create a bundle for the top of the tree. I'm simply adding to the bundle, wrapping with my twine around that metal rod, and continuing the process all the way down until I run out of branch bundles. Secure the bottom of the twine with a little hot glue. Use a popsicle stick, cut it in half. From there, take a plastic bowl, and I'm going to flip it upside down and hot glue the popsicle stick to the bottom part of the cup. I glued the base of the cup to the bottom of the bowl. Mix together plaster of Paris with water as directed on the package. You're going to pour the mixture and give it plenty of time to completely harden. Take a couple pieces of burlap, gather and wrap the burlap around the base to cover the bowl completely. Using a piece of rope from Dollar Tree, wrap it around to secure the burlap and tie it in a bow. I hope this inspired you to try this DIY Dollar Tree farmhouse Christmas tree project.
Begin with a Dollar Tree square wreath form. You will take some wire cutters and cut through the 3 wires at one corner. Then go to the opposite corner and cut through those 3 wires. Grab a Dollar Tree pool noodle and slide it into the curved part of your remaining frame. Use a sharp knife to trim the pool noodle to fit within the frame. You're going to use pipe cleaners to secure the pool noodle to the frame. Use 2 evergreen garlands to wrap around the frame and the pool noodle to cover up both of them. Take a Dollar Tree white Christmas tree, fluff the tree, and lay it along one side of your frame on top of the green garland. Using white pipe cleaners, wrap them around the tree and the pool noodle and frame. Now we get to decorate. I used silver ornaments from Dollar Tree and some silver branches. Now we have to cover up those pool noodle ends. Now it's time to hang them and display them. I used 1 command hook on each side just above my doorway entrance. Can you believe these beautiful decorations were made completely from Dollar Tree supplies? Just beautiful.